Be honest, do you scrub your skin and yet it still feels rough after? Like no matter what you use, your skin just won't stay soft. It looks dull, it feels dry, and you're tired of wasting product. That's because your scrub is only removing dirt, not caring for your skin. So I made something that actually nourishes while it exfoliates. Look at this. This is the kind of the glow your skin deserves. Follow my page for more DIY day-to-day recipes like this. So in a bowl, you need to add like a 3/4 cup of sugar in it. This is what actually helps to remove all that dead, dull skin. Then this is vitamin C. This is for that instant glow boost. Don't skip it. You need it. Then the next thing we're going to be adding is ground oats. If your skin is sensitive, this calms everything down. So you actually need to add in that oats. For the vitamin C, if you don't have it, you can actually skip it. Next on the list is rice flour. This smooths your skin like a filter. No joke, no joke, no joke. You actually need the rice flour, and then you go in with your potato starch. This is what gives it that soft, silky finish that you deserve. Okay, once you are done adding your castor oil, this locks in moisture so your skin stays soft all day. And then you add your 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa bean. This is what will serve as an emulsifier in this body scrub so that you can easily wash away once you wash your skin with water. The next on the list I'm adding is about few drops of lavender essential oil. This will act as an aroma enhancer just to make it to smell nice. And then this is mango butter. Mango butter, this actually melts into your skin and makes it to feel like a baby soft skin. So you need it. Then vitamin E, this keeps your scrub fresh and your skin protected. Vitamin E is a good antioxidant, so your scrub actually needs it. As you can see, I made this scrub perfectly without using water in it. So for shelf life, this scrub can last up to a month on a shelf, up to a month. But make sure you don't introduce water to it when you are using it. Try and scoop out the quantity you need while using it, because once you introduce water to it, microbial activities will start happening in your scrub. So, but if you want to actually improve the shelf life of this body scrub so that it can last a little bit longer for the person you are making it for or for yourself, you need to add in preservative or something like a liquid Jamal Plus. If you are using any of this scrub, just 0.5% of it, the quantity you are making is okay. So for this batch, I will probably be using about 2 ml or so, or 2.5 ml to this quantity I'm using, because scrub is something people open and dip in their wet hand into it. Okay, so once you are done, you are good and fine. Just wrap it up and your scrub is ready. And it can just instantly change the glow of somebody's skin. You can use this to take care of yourself, have a good time for yourself. Self-care is important, guys, ladies. Self-care is important. Give your skin what it needs. Treat your body the way it should be treated. Thank you all and stay tuned on my channel.